Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by emerald forests and crystal clear rivers, there lived a kind and beautiful princess named Elara. She had everything a princess could dream of: a grand palace, sparkling jewels, and the love of all her people. But Elara's heart longed for something more. She wished to find a way to make the stars come down to her world. Every night she would stand on her balcony, gazing up at the sky, whispering her wish. "Oh, if only I could hold a star in my hands and make its light shine on the land," she would sigh. One evening, as she stood by her window, a soft glow appeared in the garden. She stepped outside and saw a little lantern, glowing brightly like a star, floating gently down from the sky. It shimmered with the light of countless stars, its shape delicate yet magical. The lantern spoke in a gentle, melodic voice. "I am the starry lantern, and I have come to grant your wish, Princess Elara." Princess Elara gasped in amazement. "Can you really bring the stars to me?" she asked. The starry lantern replied, "I cannot bring the stars themselves, but I can give you their light, and with it, a gift more precious than the stars themselves." Curious, the princess took the lantern in her hands, feeling the warmth and glow of the stars within it. "What must I do to receive this gift?" she asked eagerly. The lantern's light flickered softly, and it said, "You must open your heart to others and share the light of kindness. For only when you bring light to others will you truly see the stars shine in your world." Princess Elara understood. She spent the following days traveling across the kingdom, visiting villages and helping people in need. She used the light of the lantern to guide lost travelers, heal the sick, and bring joy to the hearts of those who had forgotten how to smile. As she shared the lantern's glow, something wonderful happened. The stars above her grew brighter each night, as though they were watching over her, rewarding her kindness with their light. The more she gave, the more beautiful and magical the nights became. One evening, after helping a family rebuild their home, Elara returned to her palace. She stood on her balcony once more, gazing up at the sky. To her delight, the stars were closer than ever before, twinkling with a brilliance that she had never seen. The lantern had granted her wish, not by bringing the stars to her, but by teaching her that the stars were already within her, shining through the acts of kindness she had shared. From that day on, Princess Elara became known throughout the land as the Princess of Stars. For wherever she went, the light of kindness followed her, and the stars themselves seemed to shine brighter in her presence. And so, the princess learned that the true magic of the stars wasn't in wishing for them, but in the way we share their light with others. And they all lived happily ever after.